Welcome to the next chapter in the story behind the Winnebago Revel, where today we're going to showcase for you how simple it is to pair up a smartphone or tablet to the Mercedes Benz provided infotainment radio and rear view camera monitoring system. So once you turn your infotainment center on, it will display the Mercedes Benz logo. And the first thing that we want to do is go into the system menu and go into settings by clicking the left arrow, and ensuring down here that Bluetooth connectivity is turned on. And if that box is checked, Bluetooth is activated. If it is not checked, just go ahead and check that, and we're all good to go. Now, the next thing that we're going to do then is we're going to go to the telephone menu, and it says ready for Bluetooth connection. No phone is connected. We're going to click the down arrow. We're going to go to phone. That is going to then provide you the opportunity to connect a phone. You'll click update, and it will enable a Bluetooth search from the Mercedes Benz Infotainment Center. Then do the same thing on your smartphone or tablet, just like you would any other Bluetooth appliance. The beauty of the Mercedes Benz system, though, is that it's actually going to see your device. So this is Ron's S8. I'm going to click on the down button and select that phone. It's then going to ask for a PIN number. Now, this is not a Mercedes Benz PIN. This is a PIN that you would use. So I'm just going to use 1, 2, 3, 4, just as a generic one. I'm going to click OK. It's then authorizing my S8. I just received a pop-up on my phone. I'm going to put in the same PIN number. And authorization was successful. So now I have paired up my phone so that I can enable hands-free calling. The next thing that you're going to want to do, though, is if you want to listen to all of your downloaded music or any audio apps such as Spotify, Pandora, Radio App One, or even the SiriusXM satellite radio app, you're going to want to go to the Media Center. And again, we're going to use the down button to slide over to Bluetooth audio. And you're going to click on Bluetooth audio device list. This is so that if you want to stream music from maybe a different device than your main smartphone, you can just use it, such as an MP3 player, or a different smartphone or tablet to stream music, but use a different device for hands-free calling. If they're all the same, all we're going to do is click on the list, and we're going to select my phone. And so now I can go to my device, and I can enable music. So now I'm streaming music. I'm actually using the Spotify app right now. So that's how simple it is to pair up your smartphone or tablet to the new radio and rear view camera monitoring system provided by Mercedes Benz with the new safety package in the Winnebago Revel. And that is the next chapter in the story behind the Winnebago Revel.